today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Quick View feature in WooCommerce. Many online stores use Quick View to let customers preview products without opening the full product page. But if you want a cleaner layout or faster performance, turning it off is very simple. Let's get started by heading to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left and click on Plugins. Then select Installed Plugins. This is where you'll find every plugin currently active on your website. Now scroll through the list and look for the plugin that's providing the Quick View feature. In most cases, it will be a plugin like the WooCommerce Quick View plugin or another Quick View tool depending on what you've installed. If you have a long list of plugins, use the search bar in the top right to find it faster. Once you locate the Quick View plugin, you have two choices. If you just want to disable the feature temporarily, click Deactivate. This turns off Quick View while keeping the plugin safely stored, so you can turn it back on anytime. If you want to remove Quick View completely, click Delete. WordPress will ask you to confirm the action. Simply approve it and the plugin will be removed from your site. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled Quick View in WooCommerce. This small change can make a noticeable difference in how your customers interact with your store and can even improve loading speeds. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more simple, effective WooCommerce tutorials.